Okay, just went on about an 18-mile bike ride. It's mid 80s, if not upper 80s right now. And I came back into Pelican Preserve and just found a bench to crash in. And it's a beautiful day down here. You can see it's windy, so if you're running against the wind, you're dying. And coming up on the golf course here, this is one of the ninth holes. And there's a guy here on this pole. You can see him there. He's beautiful. Isn't he amazing? He's kind of keeping me company here. Looking around. Seems to be not too concerned about me. There's my bike. Other bike is going past and other people going up to the pool, I imagine. Other bikers here. Anyway, beautiful day. Beautiful day sitting here with my buddy. Just wanted to share that with you. Sorry for the shaky hand.